This is where we spent the winter here at Westerdok in Amsterdam. In December and January this was completely frozen across, and we were going through 20 liters of fuel a week just to stay warm. But it's sunny and warm now. Time to head out and get moving towards the Markermeer. There's condos on all sides. It's kind of a condo canyon here in Westerdok. And there's the stern of Solstice with our Obama sticker. And there's the exit towards the church.
This is one of the two bridges we have to go through, but we got here too early. So we have to turn around and wait. The two bridges are right in a row. The same guy will open them both. Squash City. Neighborhood landmark. Oh, where is it? There it is. Squash City. This is looking into the court of Princeton's. Okay. One bridge. Everybody wait. This is why we didn't want wind. Okay, they're closing the roadway. Here we go. Open, open. Waiting for the green light. Green! It's green! We can go! This is exciting. Second bridge. Emerging onto the River Eye, where there's lots of construction. And a boat right around the corner. Now we get into the traffic.
We are tied up in the Oranjesluis, or Orange Lock. We're secured and going to help a boat tie up, raft up next to us. It's the first really sunny, warm, nice day here in the Netherlands, and the lock is kind of crowded. You can see this nice Dutch wooden boat with its lee boards. There are a lot of outstanding wooden boats here in the Netherlands.
Well, so great. Weather was fine.
We waited for the weather.
So did we.
Friday I was washing the boat all day. Today we could go. We didn't want too much wind. After 7.
The gates to the locks are now closed, and we are sealed off from the River Eye, and we are waiting for the water level to rise in the lock by about 6 inches or 15 centimeters to make our way to the IJmer.
Going through, finishing up the sluice, the Oranjesluis, and going on to the Schellingwoude Bridge, I think. It's already open. There were quite a bit of people in the sluice, and now we're just going to follow people out. People coming in, people coming out. So much excitement. Stick in the road. Dead tree. It looks like they might hold the bridge for us. It's not even much of a traffic jam. There's a big tunnel under here. That's where most people go. They don't take the bridge. Nice of the bridge tender to keep it open for us. We appreciate that. We're free! Free at last!
3 bridges and 1 lock, and we didn't hit anything.
Here's a wooden gaff-rigged sloop that's being single-handed across the IJmeer. There's a lot of wooden boats that are currently in use in the Netherlands. You can see some of the more traditional, or more modern sailboats out in the distance here. Their spinnakers up. Our rum line that we had taken was taking us right through the middle of a regatta, and we were aiming right for the finish line. So we veered off a little to starboard to go around the backside of the finish line. Here you can see the committee boats getting ready for these two battling it out with their spinnakers, heading for the finish line. It was a beautiful day to be moving around on the IJmeer.
At the entrance to Muiden. We're coming here about 8 nautical miles from Westerdok, where we were, because there's a castle here, and you can almost see the castle on the other side of this brigantine. There are lots of boats here. There's the castle and the boat coming out. Yes, and the dredge. Here we go. Castle in the background, brigantine in the foreground. Nice view of the castle in the background. Boat traffic in the foreground.
We have arrived at our destination, the Royal Dutch Sailing and Rowing Club. I leave it to you to figure out how to pronounce that in Dutch. It's kind of open space here. It's early in the season, but again, it's one of the nice warmer days, first warm days of spring. There's the castle across the canal, and the rest of the harbor. A lot of good yacht services here.